Don't you just love this garden? This is so special because they honestly have a collaborative effort with the neighbor. I'm out here at Arazzo on Madison today, right here in Port St. Joe, where we have some folks that have a beautifully landscaped yard. They have all the upgrades inside, and if you want something move-in ready, I don't have to do a thing, just bring my stuff. Well, come with me because we got to take a look at this. They've got all of the rock landscaping because guess what? They don't want to mow. You got to mow your little spot. So they've got all of the Bahama rock in here and all of the beautiful flowers. And it's so fun and inviting and beachy, and they have such a cool vibe. The minute you get in, you can see that they've totally done custom paint in here. Let me get my sunglasses off. They got custom paint in here, but this is so welcoming, and it's so cute. You just feel like you're at the beach. Check this out. There's a lot of upgrades in here. They have ceiling fans in all the rooms. You can see they've got the custom ceiling fans in all the rooms. They've got a 3-bedroom floor plan. So you get a guest room on the right. She teaches Pilates, so anyway. So you got a guest room on the right, a guest room on the left. These can be exercise rooms, they can be family rooms, they can be, you know, his and her rooms. Anyway, there's a lot of things that people use these rooms for in here. But look at this. Look at the island and the custom painted kitchen cabinets. It's so fresh. I love it. This is also a custom light fixture over here. They've upgraded some of the appliances. They have Bosch and Arazzo appliances. You can see a Bosch microwave, dishwasher. Look at the gas cooktop. In Arazzo, you get natural gas here. So you not only get the gas cooktop, you also get on-demand hot water. Look at the upgraded refrigerator she's got. You get a reach-in pantry here, which has all been customized, by the way. Already California Closets have done all of the closets. Let's go take a look. Oh my goodness, we got to see this first. This is so cute. I see this pelican in houses, but I just love the hair. What do you guys think? I love that you get so much room in this living room to spread out, and you get all these windows. And if you hadn't noticed already, you've got a plantation shutters on all of the windows. Huge upgrade. Very, very big upgrade. Makes it easy. You get the 6-panel doors in these. Look at this. They did shiplap on the walls back here. These rooms are so big. You can fit a king-size bed in here. You've got room for a big dresser. You've got custom paint on this. Look at this with the shiplap going up behind the sinks. I mean, it just feels so nautical. I love it. You get a walk-in shower. Walk-in shower completely tiled. You've got a linen closet right here. They've doubled down on storage. Look at the storage in there. Tons of storage. That's a huge upgrade for these. You've got a water closet here that they've made so super fun. You've got LVP that goes throughout the entire house on the floor. So if you want easy Florida living, it's great for pets. It's great for everything. They've also done a few improvements out here on the porch. Got a lizard out here jumping around. But they've got your ceiling fan in here. They've got the ceiling painted blue, and they just made it fun and festive. They have a whole row of oleanders in their backyard here, so this will all fill in with foliage, and you've got nice bright flowers out there. You get a little yard, so if you do have a furry friend, you've got a spot. You can fence it if you want to. They allow that. So anyway, if you want to hop on over to our YouTube channel, we have a complete tour of this neighborhood. They have a beautiful pool, clubhouse, pickleball courts. They have a nice gathering area for outdoor sports. It is very well done. You're going to want to see it. So share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.